Sense Applied Media.
Hi, and welcome to Sense Applied. Have you heard of whiteboarding? It's a new term which everyone's talking about. On my LinkedIn and other social media, I'm seeing it everywhere. People are talking about whiteboarding. Programmers are afraid of it. People like me, the non-programmers, are loving it. So what happened today was I was sitting working in my office and I got a notification about something on Facebook. It's from a friend. He shared something and I have notifications on. So I said, okay, fine, let's see what he shared. And I went down to Facebook. And what could have taken me like a couple of minutes took me like half an hour I spent on Facebook, and it was a waste of my time. When I got done with it, I was like, come on, I just left my work. I went to Facebook, I wasted over there. So I should be doing time blocking. I read about it somewhere in a book about a few weeks back, and I thought about it, let's do time blocking for my task and go for it. Yeah, I can download a software, I can set up a timer that set up for 20, 30 minutes and the alarm will ring, but I need something which give me the vibe of time blocking. So I went to Cloud and I gave it the prompt, make me a Windows-based program for time blocking so I can work efficiently. The purpose of the program is that I will define the time in minutes. I want to block for a certain task, and on the screen it will show me the task and countdown timer. The number should be like an old school clock, big, floppy, and readable. So I just want to have a clock right in front of me that I'm working. It's flipping, it's showing me how much time do I have left. So if I want to, if I want to go on Facebook, I want to look at my Instagram, I can do it after like X after minutes. So let's do this. I give it the prompt. It gave me, I'll create a Windows program with a large schedule countdown clock, help you stay focused, old school floppy clock style. And it coded the whole thing for me. As you can see, everything is here. And I just downloaded it. I already have Python installed, so I just started it. And here it is, the clock, new task, and it's going to be at the back. And here I got it. Okay, it's a bit. I'll show you later what happened after that. No? Enter task, video making. Okay, how much time it is? I need 30 minutes. Okay, so I start getting it over here. The time block started, but it's big, it's huge, it's something. Okay, fine. I asked for it, I'm getting the same thing, but still I'm not getting the vibe of what I'm looking for. So I paused it and I stopped it and I shut it down and went back to Cloud. And here it is. Now I asked it again. It also gave me an option that if I want to make because running an iPhone, it asked me an option if I want a web-based. I didn't like the web-based, so let's not talk about it. And I asked it again. There's also a problem with the web-based. Okay, the Windows program is great, but it's taking too much of the screen. Can it discrete time? I can put it in a corner. So I asked for a discrete timer. It coded the whole thing for me again. Here it is. Again, it took like a couple of minutes using Python, using tk-enter, and all the libraries which I really don't know about. I downloaded it. Python's installed. I just ran it. Python is running, and here it is, a small discrete timer. I just press new, task name, video making. Okay, how many minutes? Well, 15 minutes. And here it is. Now, as you can see, it's still taking screen space. I have a two-screen system, so I don't have that much problem with sharing my screen with this. But still, I just want it to be a bit of transparent, so I didn't told it to go discrete. Smaller footprint, 150 pixel to fit in a corner, automatically position itself at the bottom right corner at startup. So I can tell it to make it movable, not a problem. Minimal UI, cleaned out theme, less distracting, abbreviated task display, save space. Streamlined control with smaller buttons, Windows management, borderless window, no Windows title bar, custom close and maximize buttons, I got those. Stay on top of other windows, really important if I'm doing my emails and all. I need a timer right in front of me and tell me what I'm doing. Draggable, click and drag the title bar to reposition, so I can drag it, but I'm unable to drag it from here, so I'm not going to do this. The thing is that it itself was a fade button to toggle transparent 70% unfaded. Let's say fade. Now it's not intrusive, it's there. I can see it, but it's not intrusive. It's not taking the focus away from my work. Minimize to a tiny icon button that can be placed anywhere. So let's minimize it. Now I get to search for it where it went. So it hit somewhere, and it was a problem for me earlier too. Let me see where it went. Here it is, so very tiny. So I got it back. And let's come here. Flashes red briefly when timer completes for attention. Okay, let's see how it does. And then set task name and duration. Pause and resume capability. I can pause it, I can resume it. Show end in red when complete. How to use run the program to be at the bottom and right hand. Press new to start a task, giving also instruction how to use it. And I'm getting the whole timer. Now, if I want an exe file, make me an exe file for it to distribute. See if you can make it. Okay, it can't, so it wants me to use Python, so I have to do it that. Well, I'll make one and I'll share it later on. But again, for a small file running on my laptop, programming it there and there, whatever I'm looking for, vibe coding is really cool. I mean, I'm not limited to searching for a program, asking for a program, asking my programmers to make one for me. I can just ask any AI tool. I got ChatGPT, I got Cloud, I got Google, Gemini, and whatnot to just program one for me, run it there and then, and have it running on my screen. And I can easily customize it from liking, from the big one I saw on the screen to a really small, discrete one in the corner. So, what's your vibe? What do you want to code about? Do tell me in comments. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.